Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I skipped last week's video because I've been busy. I went to Vegas. Yes, I went to Vegas for the Formula 1 event. That's why you have this video today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for a few more future video, Thanks. So this time we are staying at the Conrad Resort World that was sold in the package with Formula 1 ticket. The package includes 4-night stay in a premium room with a street view. Here's a mini room tour. The room is about 500 square feet with a walk-in shower. This room also equipped with all the convenient amenities like floor-to-ceiling windows, a glittering views of Las Vegas Strip, minibar with refrigerator compartment, and of course a smart TV. Oh my god, I really love the view. Even though we're not able to see the sphere from our room, I'm still very happy with it. Venetian hotel. Oh my god guys, I found Hello Kitties. Of course the girl will never have enough Hello Kitty. Yay! After that we check out this Formula 1 store inside the Venetian mall. It's like a museum in here. So cool. Then we walk around and wait for our boat to arrive. perfect for couples who want to do something romantic together. The ride is about 10 minutes around the indoor Grand Canal. The gondola driver will sing a few songs and it was really fun. I really enjoy it. Here's a video of our performer.
La donna è mobile, qual più maldito, tutto docento, e di pensiero, e di pensiero, Dio, Venetian.
At nighttime, we check out the stadium, and this is my first time seeing the Sphere in person. Oh my god, it's so huge! Look at that! Unfortunately, the racetrack was damaged, so they cancelled on Thursday night, November 16. So we decided to have dinner at Wakuda restaurant. Wakuda was also on the list of trackside dining experience, where you can enjoy Japanese fine dining and watch the race happening at the same time. After dinner, we head back to our hotel to finish the day. So this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for part 2 of Formula 1 Grand Prix Las Vegas experience. Thanks for watching!